Hello, everyone. So, you all have noticed that we're in a session where there's going to be a lot of math required, and it's kind of hard to do that in a Google Doc. Well, we have another tool that makes this so much easier for us. We have Smart Notebook, and by now we should all know how to access it. Just in case you don't, you're going to go to your Start menu, and you're looking for the one that says Smart Notebook 15. Once you've loaded it, we should be good and ready to go. Now, say we're working on, say, some mole conversions, and I've asked you to turn these things in. This is how you'll go about doing it. Notice I have Notebook open, and I've used my pen tool in order to write it directly on the screen. So I have each of my problems already recorded, and now it's time to turn it in. Well, I don't want to do it as a Smart Notebook file because then it'll be harder for me to read it and all those different types of things. And then it takes longer for you to get feedback to be able to get your points. What I'm going to have you do is, once you've done your work, we're going to come over to the File menu, and notice we have this thing that says Export As. One, you're going to save it to your computer because you want to have a copy of it to show that Mr. Baldwin, no, I really did it. But we're going to go ahead and click on Export As, and we want to do it as a PDF. Why do we want to do it as a PDF? Well, let's look. When I open it as a PDF, notice what happened on my screen. It put it into a document, and each problem is already seen. Their headings are there, the problems, all of my work, everything is present. In this way, I can get, say, 6 different problems on one page. Then you just upload it to Canvas the way that you have for the previous examples, and then I have your work. This way, I'm able to evaluate whether you're using the correct processes to be able to work through each problem, okay? Now, again, we're here, just gonna go through it one more time to make sure we're all good. I'm gonna go to File, I'm gonna go to Export As, and I'm gonna do PDF, okay? Then once I save it, just like I normally would, so I'll put this one in my Google Drive. Yeah, I have a lot of files, sorry guys. I'll put it in my Google Drive as mole conversions 1 through 10. Now, this helps me to differentiate between each of the worksheets that I gave you. So make sure you name it, don't just put it as untitled file. That'll make it confusing. Saved, and we're good to go. Well, with that being said, let me know if you have any issues. Again, email or remind are the best way to contact me. Have a lovely day, you guys.